Hello, my dears. This is Dr. Echo. Welcome back to my Vampires English classroom. Long time no see. And as you can see, things are getting a lot more serious now. Because from now on, I'm going to talk about something extremely serious. Something that has been bothering me for so long that I lost count. When we talk about learning English, one thing that will definitely occur in our mind is the English-speaking environment. We will often hear complaints that being in Taiwan, there is no chance for us to use English. Being even in Hong Kong or Malaysia, people complain that because of the restriction of the Chinese-speaking community, we don't have the chance to be in touch with those who were born with English on their tongue. However, this is exactly the disillusionment that I must offer you today. When we go abroad to study, for instance, if one is so fortunate as to be born into a rich resource that can support this guy to study abroad for a few months or a few years, people will assume that this guy, since he is among the English native speakers, he will automatically be connected to the local community, therefore having the chance to use English all the time. But most of the time, when we are, for instance, in a language school, of course, we will be surrounded by wonderful, interesting people around the world, like from Japan, from Korea, from France, from Germany, from Italy, or the mysterious Arabic land. However, we will all be second language users. We will all suck at English together. Therefore, when we talk, of course, language school has this benefit of forcing us to open our mouth to use English. But we will only reach that point when we can use our body languages to help each other understand what we are talking about. And then we will stop. And then we will repeat this maneuver. And bad habits will begin to accumulate. Bad habits that cannot be changed. Bad habits that, when finally we have the chance to really talk to native speakers, will make our English so unintelligible, so intolerable, that two things will most likely occur. First, the native speaker will just turn away. He will just walk away because he cannot understand what we are saying. Second, he may tone down, talking to us as if he is talking to children, using, again, the most simple, the easiest form of English that will further strengthen all of our bad habits and will prevent us from developing any conversations into a depth that is profound enough for us to be able to hear them talk and mimic them, copy them, which is actually the part where we want our English environment for. So, throughout my life, I have observed so many people who have studied or even worked abroad for years, for decades even. And when they need a higher level of English, for instance, promotion to a better company, a promotion to a higher positions in the company, or the chance to develop a deeper, more personal relationship with native speakers, the English is not enough. The English is still not even good enough. On the other hand, I have the fortune to have met with so many Taiwanese people who are very good at English. Without, like me, without the experience to study abroad. Of course, later I went to London to study, and during that time, I benefited a lot from my English friends, my Canadian friends, my American friends, who helped me develop my speed when I really needed. However, before that, our English was already good. How? We create our own English speaking, listening environment. How do we do that? It's actually very easy. We are blessed with this current era of technology, of the internet. We have streaming services which can give us endless movies to watch, endless songs to listen to, endless books to read. We work hard from first imitating what the characters in the movies are saying. We repeat the lines again and again and again until our English is locked into that particular accent, that particular set of expressions. And when we can use it, we will be able to use it like a native speaker. Now, there are so many people who are frustrated with the sense of inferiority to those people who are luckier to be able to just go to an English-speaking country. And so many people believe that, like I did, so naively believe that if only I can also be placed among an English-speaking community, then I will automatically be able to talk like this. No, it is impossible. The better way, the more effective way, is actually first, like I said so many times before, open a book, start to read. Or re-watch your favorite TV series again and again and again until you can memorize all those lines. Or listening to your favorite English songs, try to capture the melodies in the songs where you can learn, where you can absorb those subtle ups and downs, those nice moments when emotions or actually facts are so beautifully delivered. So now, I do have a list of recommendations that I will share with you. I must share with you. So, from now on, as I said in the beginning of this lesson, things are going to get more serious. I am going to tell you what is going to happen next. Next, in our next class, I will start with movies. When native speakers are not yet able to talk to you, but Legolas from Lord of the Rings will talk to you. Jon Snow from Game of Thrones will talk to you. Sherlock will talk to you in the most perfect, refined, exquisite English. We can learn from a playlist that I will be discussed with you in the next class to create an environment that is suitable to your personal need, to your unique talent. And with me, your effort will not go to waste. With me, you do not really need to throw yourself into an English environment before you are ready. So let's get ready together. Let's get prepared together. So when the time finally comes, when you finally receive an interview with an excellent company, when you finally have the chance to meet with someone extraordinary as well as exotic, your English will be there to help you. So guys, until next time then, ciao.